Hi ma'am, good afternoon. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Arlene Bananzan Sudaria, 45 years old, single, and a resident of Manila Group, Waulana del Sur.
So, do you have kids, ma'am?
No,
How many siblings do you have?
I don't have siblings.
Okay, so you're an only child.
Yes.
So, can you tell me about your educational background?
My educational background is a college graduate.
From what school and what course did you took up in college, ma'am?
I study at San Isidro College, Malaybalay City. I took up a Bachelor of Science in Commerce, which is major in management.
Okay, so do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
From what country, ma'am?
My first abroad is Qatar. Um, I take her I take her the 11 months old baby when I arrived in Qatar. And after that, my employer will deliver the newborn baby, and also I take care of the newborn baby. And also I doing the household works in the house.
Okay, so is it a finished contract in Qatar, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so after Qatar, did you work in another country, ma'am?
And my second abroad was in Singapore. My employers is a Singaporean. I take also the child, but not newborn. Also the taker, the dogs, and also doing the household works, which is cooking and cleaning and all around.
Okay, so since you've been taking care of the children in Singapore, ma'am, how old is the child, ma'am?
The child was 8 year old.
Okay, so you've also take care of pets.
Yes.
So what pet, ma'am? Is it a dog or a cat?
That is the big dog.
Okay, one dog only, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so after working in Singapore, did you work to another country, ma'am?
And then my third abroad, this was in Malaysia. Also, I take care the newborn baby, also 18 months old when I arrived in Malaysia. And then after few months, also my employer delivered a newborn baby. Also, I take care of the newborn baby. And every day we'll go out around Malaysia town and also bring the baby playing the playground. And when come back home, send the first baby into the school and doing the household works when come back.
Okay, so is it a finished contract also, ma'am?
Also finish contract.
Okay, so after working in Malaysia, ma'am, did you work to another country?
And my last abroad was in Hong Kong for 4 years. Also, I take care the not newborn baby that was adult. My first employer was adult. That was a 12-year-old girl. And then sometimes I bring him to school for bring some things to bring school, and then also I bring back from school, and then when come back doing the household works like cooking also for dinner. And then my second employer, they have a newborn baby. I take care of the newborn baby, and then doing the household work, and then also sending to school when come back also doing the household work. Also finished contract when I was in Hong Kong for 4 years.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I describe myself as honesty, trustworthy, and I can work without supervision of employer.
So do you have any tattoo in your body?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no.
So why do you want to work abroad?
I want to come back abroad because I want to help my family just like my father, because he's getting old and then we don't have financial to support.
Okay, so are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
So can you give me your idea how can you take care of a naughty children and children with tantrums?
I can handle them through I make it calm down, just like more patience to handle whatever the kind of attitude of the children, so that they can calm down and listen to me.
Okay, so what is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
Hi, my dear employer, if you hired me as your domestic helper in Hong Kong, I can promise you that I can work without your supervision, and because I am honest person, and I can do the household works. I'm also going to market whatever your order. I can follow your order, also the rules of your house. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.